Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And in today's YouTube video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Adobe Photoshop for free. So basically, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video or in the comments, either one, whatever you want to go to. First, you want to go to Chrome, and then you want to get the link from my comment section, and you just press paste. Okay, and then all I want to do is click this. Then I'm going to click download. Also, you need one more thing to actually even open the file. You need something called WinRAR or 7-zip. Download WinRAR, and if you don't know how to download WinRAR, it's pretty easy. Let's go ahead and click download and go to the setup process. Okay, and then you can download it. Alright, so now that you have downloaded the thing, give me 1 second, let me go get my USB drive. Alright, so now I've got my USB drive, and I am going to set up Adobe. So go into your thing, Photoshop, or you can just right click and extract here. Just give it a second to do its thing. Okay, and I will see you guys when it finishes extracting. Alright, I'm back, guys. So when the thing is done, it should be done. I have it on my new volume drive. Open this, and then everything should be here. Open the setup. The only downside of this is that you can't install this on a you can't install this on a hard drive. I'm sorry, on a flash drive. So you can put whatever you want. Continue, and it is installing. But I already have it installed, so I do not need this. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, and see you next time.